Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Ender with your Thursday, November 2nd morning market commentary. We'll start off in corn this morning, mentioning the weekly export sales coming in at 901,000 tons. That was a little bit of a slowdown from last week's 1385, but still within the trade expectations. The larger news coming out this morning at 8 a.m., we had sales of 1.356 million tons to Mexico. So you would think that that would help offset the somewhat slowdown from last week's weekly sales. And also those large sales in Mexico this morning back up another strong ethanol report that we saw yesterday, which helped to bounce corn to where it is. Yesterday's ethanol came in at 10.56, which is 3.8% over last year. That is coming in well above the USDA's expectations of 0.7% above last year. Given that we're still in a relatively new marketing year, we want to hold back some excitement, but you have to say with a number that large, it can add support here in corn. Maybe not a bounce, but at least keep us in the 350, just slightly above 350 level. For beans, the weekly exports came in at 1985. That was a good amount above the highest end trade estimate of 1900. The first chart resistance for the January beans is 1013. So January ending the overnight at 995, this shows that we do have a good amount of upside open technical room for the beans to bounce if we continue to see strong sales. On the sales front for wheat, 348,000, nothing too exciting. We did see 600,000 a couple weeks ago, which offered a small bounce to wheat, but since then they've gone back to that more middle of the range, 300 to 350,000 range. Over in cattle, we did get a 120 trade on the Fed Cattle Exchange yesterday. That's $3 higher than the average trade from the previous week. That is most likely very close to what futures had pre-priced in. So we'll see what we get for an open market cash trade if we can get above that 120. That has been common for weeks on end now to see that open market on Thursday or Friday trade at least $1 or $2 above the Fed Cattle Exchange. So let's watch out for that. Yesterday's box beef was choice up 95 cents, select down 19 cents. So still moving higher, but not quite the excitement we've seen in previous days. That's our morning market commentary for Thursday, November 2nd. As always, give us a call, 800-262-7538, or visit us on the web, allendale-inc.com.